What's up, boys? I'm going to be making two quick videos today. The weekly recap for last week and some levels, which we need to do because I didn't do it yesterday. Real busy weekend. And the 252 days of trading. Day 41. Currently heading to Fairfield. Right up against this guy's ass right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to say we're probably going to use this intro clip for both videos, so you'll probably see this twice if you end up watching both today. But what's up, boys? Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's have us a good week. I probably won't even get to trade this week because I'll be depositing money either later today or tomorrow, so it'll be the same thing as 2 weeks ago where I kind of got my money on a Thursday or Friday. But yeah, this week's just going to be making new levels or keeping our old levels and testing to see how the market reacts with it, and got to put more emphasis on our journaling and sticking to our strategy. So we're going to be doing a lot of that this week, trying to fine-tune it as much as we can, get prepped. So that's the move, boys. Let's have us a good video, good day, good week, good month. So let's get it. Yeah. Alrighty, and now here's the first charting for day 41. We're starting right at the 3 p.m. mark for yesterday, from Sunday to today. And as you can see, we came down and we stayed under that 50 EMA on the 15 minute, rode it down. We broke through our 4-hour level a bit and bounced it, came up to the upside above the 50 EMA, ripped down, bounced the 4-hour again for the retest, and came all the way up to the next 4-hour level. So we went from 520 all the way to, wow, it's a 500 point bounce. Holy. So we caught that we could have got that whole bounce on our level up and sold there. As you can see, it kind of tries to break it again and succeeds, but gives up at the 21,115, which is damn 100 points over. But it ended up falling all the way down to 344 for about 700, nearly 800 point loss. Wow. And yeah, there we go. We were ripping back up into that 520 level again, and looks like we're about to retest it for upside, maybe to the 630 level. So we'll see how that plays out. Now let's go on to ES. Okay, for ES, we are looking at ES on here. So here's ES. Trying to find out what days we were on, yeah, because that was a pretty long pause. But so for ES, let's see, we rode up, shot up way past this EMA, ripped through that level, bounced it, closed under it, and it came down 5950-ish level, bounced it all the way up to nearly our we tried to rip through our level here. It ripped through it a bit, but it kind of fell off, wasn't able to. Touched the 50 EMA and shot up all the way to the 6,000 mark. Touched 6,000, rejected it, came up with a little pressure down to 597, rejected it all the way down to 47, a 57 point sell-off. Came through, retested that level, plus broke through the 50 but failed. Touched the 50 for the retest, it came all the way down. Oh my. So from here, where was that touch? the high 65, from 59.65 all the way to 58.21. 140 point sell off, which is $14 sell off, which is insane. 140 points on ES goes a long way. Wow, that's a lot. But nice. Now it ripped back up over it for some retracement, and it's looking to maybe try to touch this daily level of 58.85 before more downside is my guess. Maybe at the very highest come back to touch the 50 EMA, which I'd say be around this level by the time it gets there, the 59.08 or even 5900 for retest and more downside is my guess. And that'll do it. We'll see how she performs tomorrow, boys. Not too bad. Levels semi-respected, I'd say. Alright, and that'll end it for the second video. Levels are hitting. Still hitting. I mean, it's 3 weeks in now. We got levels we could get. We got plays we could check. So now we got to come up with a game plan and deposit amount. So this week I'm going to take it off again just to prep and wait for the deposit. So either going to do 1,000 or 1,500 again. We'll see. You know, I'll let you know when it's getting deposited. And other than that, yeah, our game plan, my brother and me were talking about it. It's not anything trading. The game plan is the same as far as the trading execution goes and all that, but our journaling has been pretty weak. Like I'm considering this my journaling, and it's pretty half-assed. I don't review my videos all that much. I watch them on my other account here and there, try to daily, like when I'm in the sauna in my house and stuff, but other than that, yeah, I got it. As far as trading goes, I'm going to try to implement a journal at the end of the video. So right here would be where I'm journaling and talking, and I think that's the plan. So if we do that, how we're going to journal, we're not going to call a red day a loss or a green day a win. We're going to base the loss and wins on the day if we follow our plan, our execution. So, you know, if we have a green day but we didn't follow our plan, it's definitely a loss, because over time it's going to be a loss. And this is all about the long run, you know, so we can't be rushing and everything. So we're going to be taking our trades. We're still going to do the swing trades over the night. We're going to do the morning, you know, 6 to 9 a.m., quick plays, and that's that, you know. So we're going to take it based on our levels, our entries, our take profits, our stop losses. When we get, probably this weekend, we'll implement our game plan again. I'll go over it throughout the week too, but it's pretty much looking like I'm trying to look at it as how I'm going to break up the TPs. Stop loss is going to be obviously everything stops out, but TPs, I want to sell X amount here, X amount there, and X amount final here, and you know, maybe one runner. So I'm thinking what I do is for the long-term plays where I catch, you know, 5 p.m. the 5 p.m. of the open of the market, like between 3 to 5 p.m. and then hold it into the next morning. I'm gonna do like one con, so like 10 MES or 10 MNQ, and then I'm gonna set TPs like, you know, for MNQ, what I was thinking on the drive here is like 10 MNQs at 50 points, sell 4 to lock in for $400. Then I can take the break even to 0 and we lock in the $400 carefree trade. And then the other 6 cons just ride out like the 100 points, sell 3, which would be what? 3, 6, 50, another 300, and then the other 3 just let ride out till the morning, basically, you know. That's the plan I have. So we'll see. But that's pretty much all I have for MNQ. It'll be the same thing for MES, but it's real weird. I feel like it's not as rewarding, the long-term hold on MES, because it's like I risk 10 points, and you know, that's a lot of breathing room, but then the upside is like what, 10 to 30? Looking at a $3 move on SPY just doesn't sound too reasonable, you know. It's like, oh man, I'm gonna have to cut this quick, but we'll see. we'll try it out. You know, that's all we can do is try it out and wait. So that's the plan, boys. It's already been running on 4 minutes. Well, I'll end it there. It's a lot of rambling. Love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this with the boys. Share this with the homies, the grandma, the mommy, the daddy, the sister, the brothers. I got green beam. I have my demos on. I'm just messing with y'all. But all right, good night. Good night. Middle of the day. Don't know why I said that. I'm cooked. Been working since 11 p.m. yesterday. It is currently, what time is it? 5 p.m. Yikes. All right. Peace, boys. Catch you later. Yeet.